try this at home, guys. See ya, Integra. Good, everybody, man. Life with D-Bot back out another video. Play ball. As y'all see, man, on the thumbnail, I'm finna go do a little POV. Yeah, I'm gonna run a few errands, talk to y'all about my plans, and yeah, y'all will see what's next. Let's get into this video. Got a little heat on, man. It's cold as hell. Y'all, we are off, and as soon as we start driving, I run into a school zone. Damn. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, I'm about to go run a few errands, give y'all a little POV, give y'all an update, and pretty much answer a few questions on what my plans is with the car. I gotta run to the cleaners first, and then after I run to the cleaners, I gotta go to AT&T, and after AT&T, I have to go to. That's a surprise for y'all. Let's get it. Damn, second gear fun, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Second gear. I got big plans with this car, man. I'm gonna just not talk right now, give y'all a little pull action, and I'll talk a little bit towards the middle of the video. I don't know if the cleaners is on this street or if it's on the next street. Damn, almost missed third. I held that clutch in. I ain't being embarrassing no more, guys. No, no, no. I'm not embarrassing myself no more. I almost let go of the clutch when I was putting it into third, but I felt I wasn't in it. See, I taught myself something right there. Hold the clutch all the way into you up in the gear. Don't let it go when you haven't found it yet. That's what I just taught myself. Yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, green light. I love the green lights. I do not like stopping. I do not like stopping. It's right here. I found you. I found you. I found you. I made it to my first destination, y'all. Alright, y'all. Got what I need. Now I'm about to head to AT&T. So on the way to AT&T, man, I'll break down, you know, a few things of what I want to get done. So I'm gonna start with the basics all the way up to the big shit. So first things first, man, I gotta get this engine light off. Like, damn, it's off right now. Like, that's weird. See, the engine light's off right now, but I know it's not really off. It's just, it like resets itself. I'm gonna try this at home, guys. Definitely don't try this at home. Yeah, first things first, man, I gotta get my engine light off, which is off right now, but it's not really off. And I want to do an oil change, tune up, and come over here, let them rotate my tires. I could honestly rotate my tires myself, but I'll probably let a tire shop do it. I want rims. I want to, you know, repaint it. I don't know on exactly what color yet. I talked to a painter guy, and I sent them 3 different colors I want. The colors is like the Dodge Charger, Hellcat, No, Dodge Durango SRT, like that gray. It's like it's not a smoky gray, but it's a pretty nice gray color. I like that color. It's out of that gray or the BMW blue. The BMW blue is like the color I really want, but he was telling me that it'll be easier if we do the gray. But I don't want to go to a painter who says, you know, this will be easier, this will be easier. You know, it's my car. I want to paint it the color I want it. So I'm also looking for a good price, man. The car is already primed, so I don't want to be spending $2,000-$3,000 on paint. Like, I could throw all that into the engine. And since we're speaking about the engine, I don't want to spend that much money on a paint job, especially not $2,500. That's what he quoted me, and he said $2,500 just for the outside. Like, he didn't say door panels, under the hood, all that. He just said just for the body. Y'all comment down below if $2,500 sound right. I'm not paying $2,500. I'm just saying comment down below what y'all pay $2,500. This is a small car. It's a two-door car. It's an older model car, so I'm like, hell to the no. To the no. But yeah, man. Paint, rims, oil change, tune-up. This not in order either. It's just things I want to get done. I want to, you know, throw some boost in it. So I'm debating on if I should. I'm actually about to go talk to them here in a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put it all in this vlog, but I don't know if I should put, you know, boost with the stock internals I have with the K28.3 trans and engine, or should I don't know if I should get, you know, try to boost it with the stock internals I have, or if I should, you know, try to upgrade the engine to a K24 and just have it, you know, naturally aspirated, or NA as y'all call it. Have it NA and try to see how much power I can get out of it. The engines are about 800, 1200, depending on exactly what engine I go for. And yeah, it will have mileage on it. But I don't know, man. I'm brand new to this. I don't know nothing about, you know, the JDM process and exactly what I should do. I've been actually asking a few buddies of mine. My buddy Josh, he has the RSX Type S, and he's very familiar with, you know, what to do to these cars. So yeah, we'll see, man. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. Y'all please comment down below on, you know, ideas. If you have this same car, if you have the Type S, different ideas you would do. I don't know exactly which route to take, but I am about to figure it out once I go talk to this tune-in shop here in a minute. And yeah, damn, they Audi. That Audi sounds like one of them Hondas. Let me slow my eyes down, because it'd be right over here. It'd be like a motorcycle cop posted, waiting on our ass. So y'all got it. Let me chill, kick back in the cut. He be posted up over here. He just know how to hide, man. So I ain't falling for the okie doke this time. No, not today, not today. Woo! This car fun, bro. All right, y'all. So yeah, oil change, tune up. I'm gonna, of course, get a cold air intake, all that shit. I don't think I'm gonna get a downpipe. Cold air intake, headers. Oh yeah, my headlights. Them hoes are dusty as hell. So I'm gonna definitely get new headlights. What else? The car really don't need too much. It does have a shit ton of miles on it, which I'm expecting the trans to go out or the engine to mess up. I don't expect the engine to go out or the trans, but with the mileage on it, something's gonna happen, especially if I throw some boost on it. So I'm kind of iffy on boosting it at the moment. I'm trying to still get a feel of driving stick. So, you know, that's something else I'm considering. So I don't know, man. It's a lot of shit I want to do, and like I said in my previous video, it's a lot of shit I want to do, and there's a lot of shit I can't do. Now I can, you know, do my simple shit like oil change, tune-up, lights, retint the windows, simple shit like that. Put a 7-inch screen in here with Apple CarPlay, and take it from there. But while I do all of that, I'll probably have to wait and just drive it, and maybe if the engine blows in that process, I could go ahead and do the K24. I really don't want to buy the K24 if this engine's running pure, but I know if I boost this engine, it's gonna blow. Even if I boost it to 280 wheel, 250 wheel, it's gonna blow eventually, just because. So, like, I know this shit. I had a Honda, a 10th gen Honda. I know it's two different, you know, year models and shit, but I got experience with this shit, and I know what I know how this shit works now. So we'll see, man. AT&T, I am on the way. I am on the way, AT&T. All right, y'all, man. I just left AT&T. I was trying to make sure they charge me for my bill, man. I know they try to say they charge you and then charge your card the next day or 3 days later when you already spent the money. So I was just making sure that everything was going through. They just told me to leave the money in the account. They haven't charged it yet, but they sent me a text talking about it's paid. So I'm like, is it paid or is it not paid? So do I need to spend this money or not? And the guy was just like, don't spend the money. So I was like, all right, cool. Well, quit texting my ass that it's paid if it's not paid. Like, if it's paid, I should be able to spend the money, correct, or am I wrong? But y'all know how these banks work, man. But yeah, I'm headed over here to this place called Concept Racing. They pretty much build Honda, Acura, you know, Type S, JDM, K24, K20. They build everything JDM type. So, you know me, I'm about to go check them out, ask a few questions. And what's the potential of them building this car without, I ain't gonna say without it blowing up, but, you know, getting the most power out of it, but also keeping it reliable. There's a shit ton of miles on the car, so that's gonna be very hard to do. And I'll pretty much explain to y'all on my next video. So thank y'all for tuning in with this video, running errands with your boy, having fun. I know I didn't give y'all a lot of pulls or nothing, man. Like I say, this car still needs some work, so I'm not gonna break the car just trying to, you know, show out for y'all. It's a cool little reliable car, man, and I want to keep it reliable, and I don't want to break the car for YouTube, you know. So with that being said, thank y'all for tuning in, man, with Life with D Black. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. If you're thinking about subscribing, man, subscribe. Quit playing, for real. And I'm trying to find a place. Concept Racing right there. I gotta do a U-turn. Damn. I gotta do a U-turn. I do not like doing U-turns in this, man. But thank y'all for tuning in. Life with D Black. Until next video. Peace. Y'all thought I was gonna end the video right there. I ain't gonna do y'all like that, man. I'm about to let y'all come on in here and see what's finna jump off over here, man. Please tell me they open. Oh yeah, I already see a couple JDM. Boom. I see an Integra. All right, I see the Taggy. I hope that's the owner's Integra. Look like he got a carbon fiber hood on it. This video, I'm gonna stretch out for y'all a little bit, man. Stretch it on out for y'all. I know my video's been about, you know, 10, 11, 12 minutes. This one will be a little bit longer, man. Hope y'all enjoy. Leave a like, man. Leave a like, man. I was finna end the video over there, but I'm gonna do this for y'all. Leave a like, and I'll do this a little more often. Appreciate you. Bad baby, nice. Got a few questions on like a potential build. It's an A3, but I was trying to